Oh, it's unboxing number 1. Yahtzee. We got the whatever diggity dank present this is. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna have to one-hand this thing. Head strap. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. That would make it easier. This is a mask? Kennedy. Hot diggity dog. The perfect disguise. Would it be inappropriate to have an Obama mask? Ah. Let's not do Obama. Kennedy. Alright. The Purge. Oh, why? Does the one guy have a Kennedy mask in The Purge? Oh. Yeah, some kind of mask. Hey, Ryan. The item I mailed you, it said it shipped like a day after I bought it. But I don't know where the fuck it's shipping from. Probably like China or something. So it'll be here in like half a month. Oh, this thing.
That's right, Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dipdale. That's right, Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dipdale. That's right, Doug Dimmadome. That's right, Doug Dimmadome.
Thank you.